Hi, I'm Dr. Rhonda Karg. I'm a clinical psychologist, and I wanted to answer a question that's asked of me frequently. And it's a good question that you can propose to the people that you might be interviewing as potential psychotherapists to work with you. One of the questions I hear a lot is, how soon will I start feeling better? And generally speaking, with me anyway, I think that this is probably true for most folks, but you get a lot of relief even after the first session because you're feeling seen, heard, and understood, hopefully by the psychotherapist. And if they're like me, they're solution focused, so they're going to teach you a new skill that you can practice between that day, the first time you meet with them, and the next time. So it can kind of give you hope and give you something that you can practice doing in between your sessions. Also, people sometimes, after about 6 months, after the brain change happens, and that new coping skill becomes more automatic, the person doesn't have to think about it, they just do it automatically. That happens after about 6 months. And at that point, some people decide that they want to do EMDR with me or accelerated resolution and maybe clear out some old trauma from their past. Some people decide they want to come and see me as needed for booster sessions. Let's say something's come up in their life. If they're a former patient of mine, I will fit them in my schedule and we will work through whatever they're facing, the new situation. So it really depends on the psychotherapist, but those are my answers to the question. So if you're interviewing people to try to find a psychotherapist for yourself, those are the kinds of questions I would ask would be, when can I expect to start feeling better? How long do you think that it will take for me to be in psychotherapy before I'm able to resolve this issue, the presenting complaint? And what happens after I graduate from psychotherapy? Can I come back and see you as needed? And so those are all questions that I would ask if I were you and I were looking for a psychotherapist. Let me know in the comments how it works out for you. Thanks for tuning in.